Apple, known for its technologies such as the Mac machines and the famous iPhones, has come up with something new. Yes, the Apple Vision Pro. So what is this Apple Vision Pro? Apple Vision Pro is a spatial computer that blends digital content and apps into your physical space and lets you navigate using your eyes, hands, and voice. It is a piece of art, a technology that is taking us to the future. But with something like this that has pros, it also has its cons. We're going to discuss that on this video, what the Vision Pro is, how is it good, and how is it bad. But before we begin, why don't you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of these cool videos such as this about technology. And don't forget to give us a like if you enjoy the video. So, Apple Vision. What is it? What I saw while I wore this amazing tech is that while at work, I had a super-sized desktop right in front of me. And the best part is how you interact with it. There are no controllers to bother you. You just have to stare at the app, link, or the other item you want to select. Tap your fingers together. It's so cool with the iOS and Vision OS working together. And the other gestures are just as intuitive. And here's something you need to know about the Vision Pro. Yes, it's an augmented reality and virtual reality headset in one, but it's first and foremost a spatial computer. And that means multitasking like you've never seen or experienced before. Watching 3D movies is one of the coolest features on this spatial computer. Because watching 3D movies through the Vision Pro looks and feels different than anything I've ever tried. It has immersive video, which you put front center in a new 3D format with a 180-degree field view captured with 8K cameras. Wow, just wow. This is something I enjoy. And it works with your MacBook. Why is it more valuable? Because rather than the Windows laptop, with the MacBook, the Apple headset works seamlessly. With your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro with the Mac Virtual Digital Display feature, just stare at your MacBook and you'll see a connect button floating above on the screen. You can resize your desktop, get a sharp 4K picture, and even better, you can interact with your desktop. Amazing stuff. So it has the Vision Pro, about 600 apps, and these are the pros that I saw. So much fun, but after a few days, you start to feel that you're wearing out. Even though Vision Pro feels like the future, but the battery feels like an anchor in the past. It does not have a built-in battery, so you're holding this battery in your hand like an external battery that must be attached to you. This battery is heavier than the iPhone 15 Pro. And let's not forget that Vision Pro is hefty. It is at 1.4 pounds, considerably heavier than its counterparts such as Meta Quest 3. And let's not forget the Apple Vision Pro starts at $3,500, which is the same price as a premium 70-inch OLED TV. And apart from that, you have some missing apps such as Netflix and YouTube. They're missing in the Apple Vision Pro because these heavy hitters are the most used apps in the market at the moment. So if we just skip things short and sum up the whole video, it is amazing, immersive, and pricey. $3,500, I believe it is so tough to sell. And even though Vision Pro is the best mixed reality headset by far, and it is worth its premium, that's what I feel, but you can't afford one. Not everyone can. So apart from that, heavy, but you get the hang of it. Anyways, this is about Vision Pro. I hope you liked the video. I'll have more videos such as this in the future, so go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified, and not to forget to like my video. Last but not the least, if you have something about the Vision Pro, do share in the comment section below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.